Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow, walk outside, meet a new person, and suddenly you can speak English smoothly. No freezing, no fear, just natural, confident English.
In the next few minutes, we will teach you 50 powerful daily English phrases you can use anywhere. At home, at school, at work, with strangers, with friends, anywhere.
And by the end of this video, you won't just understand the phrases, you will speak them with us. Ready? Let's begin. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Emma.
And I'm Liam. And today, we're giving you something super useful. 50 English phrases for real, everyday conversations.
These phrases are easy, friendly, and perfect for A2 to B1 learners.
You'll repeat with us, practice with us, and join little quizzes and role plays.
Okay, deep breath, sip of water, smile on your face. Let's jump right in. Let's start with phrases we use every single day. Imagine you meet someone in the morning. What do you say?
You don't say, "Greetings, citizen." Please don't do that. Use simple and friendly English.
Exactly. Here are our first phrases. Listen, repeat, and feel the rhythm. Phrase 1. Hey, how's it going?
Phrase 2. Good to see you.
Phrase 3. How have you been?
Phrase 4. What are you up to?
Phrase 5. Long time no see.
These are perfect for friends, classmates, co-workers.
Okay, quick interaction moment. Repeat after me. Hey, how's it going?
Now repeat after me. Good to see you.
Nice. You sound great already. So let's add a short scenario. You meet a friend in a store. I'll play the friend, you play you. Ready? Hey, how's it going?
Great. You're doing real conversation practice already. And now let's practice phrases you use when you need information. Life is full of questions, right?
Right. Even simple things like, where's the bathroom? Or, what time is it?
Let's learn 5 useful phrases for this situation.
Phrase 6. Excuse me, can you help me?
Phrase 7. Do you know where this place is?
Phrase 8. Can you tell me the time?
Phrase 9. I'm looking for this address.
Phrase 10. Can you explain that again?
Many learners feel shy asking for help. But trust us, your English grows 10 times faster when you ask questions.
Let's do a mini role play. You need help, and I am a stranger. Ready? You. Excuse me, can you help me?
Nice. That was friendly and polite.
Next are polite phrases you should use every day. These make you sound natural and respectful.
And honestly, polite people get better responses.
Phrase 11. Thank you so much.
Phrase 12. I really appreciate it.
Phrase 13. That's very kind of you.
Phrase 14. Sorry for the trouble.
Phrase 15. No worries, it's okay.
Let's practice. I'll say something helpful and you answer with a polite phrase. I helped you carry your bag.
Good. Your tone sounded soft and natural.
Okay, quick quiz. I'll say a situation and you choose the best phrase.
Situation. Someone explains something to you you didn't understand. What should you say?
Best answer. Can you explain that again?
If you got it right, give yourself a high five. If you didn't, still give yourself a high five. You're learning. Now let's learn how to talk about yourself. These are small, simple sentences, but very useful.
Phrase 16. I'm not sure.
Phrase 17. I think so.
Phrase 18. I don't think so.
Phrase 19. I'm still learning.
Phrase 20. I need a little more time.
Try this. I'll ask a question, and you answer with one of the phrases. Do you know how to use this machine?
Nice job. Speaking simple English is better than staying silent.
These next phrases are perfect for everyday life. Morning, evening, home, work.
Phrase 21. I just woke up.
Phrase 22. I'm getting ready.
Phrase 23. I'll be there soon.
Phrase 24. I'm on my way.
Phrase 25. Let's take a break.
Let's imagine we're coworkers. You are tired. What do you say?
Yes. Let's take a break. That always feels good. Okay, English is not only about grammar, it's also about emotions.
True. So here are 5 phrases to express how you feel. Phrase 26. I feel great today.
Phrase 27. I'm a little tired.
Phrase 28. I'm not feeling well.
Phrase 29. I'm excited about this.
Phrase 30. This makes me happy.
Your turn. How do you feel right now? Use one of the 5 phrases.
Nice. Even if you said, I'm a little tired, we still love you. Okay, repeat fast with me. Short, quick, confident. I'm excited. I'm tired. I feel great. I'm on my way. I'm still learning.
Great job. Speed practice builds confidence.
Now, let's learn phrases for making plans with friends, coworkers, or even strangers.
Phrase 31. What's your plan today?
Phrase 32. Do you want to hang out?
Phrase 33. Let's do it tomorrow.
Phrase 34. Tell me when you're free.
Phrase 35. I'll check my schedule.
Let's do a tiny role play. I'll invite you. Hey, do you want to hang out later?
Good answer. You can feel the conversation flow. Now let's practice phrases for work or school settings. Simple but professional.
Phrase 36. I finished the task.
Phrase 37. Can you explain this part?
Phrase 38. I'll send it to you.
Phrase 39. Let's work together.
Phrase 40. That sounds good?
Try this. I'll say something and you respond. I think we should start now.
Nice. That sounds good is always safe and friendly. Quiz time. Choose the best phrase for the situation. Situation. Your coworker wants help to understand something. What do you say?
Best answer. Can you explain this part?
If you got that right, you're becoming a pro.
Okay, now phrases for shopping, markets, supermarkets. Super useful.
Phrase 41. How much is this?
Phrase 42. Do you have this in a different size?
Phrase 43. Can I try this?
Phrase 44. Is there a discount? Let's practice. You walk into a store. I am the salesperson. Hello, how can I help you?
Yes. I'm just looking, thank you. Simple and polite. These phrases help you sound friendly and natural in social conversations.
Phrase 46. That's interesting.
Phrase 47. Tell me more.
Phrase 48. Really? I didn't know that.
Phrase 49. What do you think?
Phrase 50. Let's talk about it.
Nice. Now let's do one last role play. I'll tell a short story, and you react.
I learned to cook pasta yesterday. Perfect. That's interesting. Or, really? I didn't know that. Both work nicely.
Last quiz. Here we go. Situation. Your friend tells you something new and surprising. What do you say?
Correct phrase? Really? I didn't know that.
You're getting good at this. Okay, last practice. Repeat each phrase after me quickly. Ready?
How's it going?
Can you help me?
I appreciate it.
I'm still learning.
I'm on my way.
I feel great.
Tell me when you're free.
That sounds good.
How much is this?
That's interesting.
Great work. You just practiced 50 powerful English phrases.
You did amazing today. Seriously. If you watched until now, your English is improving.
Remember, small daily practice makes big change, even 5 minutes a day.
So tell us in the comments, which phrase was your favorite today? We want to hear from you.
And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, fun English lessons with me and Emma.
Thank you for learning with us. You're doing great. Keep going, keep smiling, and see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.